In fields like aerospace or mechanics, it is important to understand the strain and pressure anywhere along a surface during testing. Though this can be accomplished with measuring devices such as strain gauges and pitot probes, these methods fail to produce a high-definition field of measurements due to their size. This research presents a technique that combines a pressure-sensitive paint, or PSP, with a photoelastic coating, or PEC, to measure both pressure and strain simultaneously across a surface. PSP works by shining a high-intensity light on a paint. The paint contains luminescent molecules that absorb the light through oxygen quenching and dissipated thermal energy. However, some is released as a photon emission, which we can capture using a camera. By knowing the intensity of this photon, we can then calculate the pressure on that paint. For PEC, we use a light source combined with a quarter wave plate to shine circularly polarized light on the PEC. As the light goes into the coating and reflects back out, it changes from circular to elliptical in its polarization, and by using a camera combined with a linear polarizer at different angles, we can measure the intensity at these angles and calculate the strain within the coating. In our experimentation, we combine PSP and PEC techniques together, using an excitation source and an LED. We used a quarter wave plate to generate circularly polarized light. We used a coating that was a combination of PSP and PEC, and then a linear analyzer over the digital camera so that we could measure the intensity for the PEC. When testing, the sample is clamped within the chamber, and an adjustable screw can vary the strain along the beam. A plexiglass lid is placed across the chamber opening, and the entire chamber is pulled down to a partial vacuum, while a high digital sensor measures the pressure within the chamber. A computer connected to a camera and LED monitor the entire experiment. The light used is a 465 nanometer high-intensity LED, which is connected to a Pixis 1024 camera to collect still images. The LED also has a quarter wave plate to circularly polarize the light for the PEC analysis. The computer captures each image from the camera and compiles them into images for later analysis. The tests are conducted in a darkroom to mitigate ambient light noise. And finally, the images are analyzed using a custom-built MATLAB script. The results of the tests are promising, showing good separation between the PEC and the PEC combined with PSP when pulled to a lower pressure. We see the intensity increase as the pressure decreases, signified by the orange sine wave raised up above the blue sine wave. This shows that the PSP and the PEC are combining well together and that we're able to separate out the two values.